Hi, this is Arnaswaram. Today let us analyze the stock LIC Housing Finance Limited. I have found a swing trade opportunity in the stock. Let us analyze the swing trade in the stock. So this is the monthly chart of LIC Housing Finance. The stock is a fantastic technical follower stock. So the stock gave a fantastic return for the investors of more than 1890 percentage upside from the 2007. The stock gave a fantastic return, but now the stock fell almost its 60 percentage downside, and once again it took a counter run right now, but the volumes are quite low in recent times, but the stock showing a upside momentum, so one should be cautious before taking positions in the stocks. So let me draw the major trend line in the stock. So this can be considered as the major trend line which is acting right now, and this shows the stock is in a falling channel. This can be taken as the flag pattern. The stock gave a breakout out of the flag pattern, so one can go long in the stock for long term purposes also. So once again the stock shows a small pattern here. This is the inverted head and shoulder pattern. The stock shows a good pattern recognitions, so it's good to go long in this stock because it follows the technicals very well. See, once the stock broke the resistance of the inverted head and shoulder, the chart shoot up like anything. So before going to the daily chart, I would suggest you to consider subscribing our channel so that we will be encouraged to do such videos on regular basis. And if you like the video, hit like button, and if you have any queries and questions, feel free to comment below. After subscribing, don't forget to hit the bell button, which will help you to get the instant notifications of the videos published in our channel. So let me move to the daily chart for analyzing price target for the stock. The stock actually broke the major resistance zone here, and the stock again broke a latest 52-week high here. So it's good to go long in the current market price. I think the stock will come once again to the support level to take retracement, but it's not a golden rule to come and retrace every time. So one can go long at current market price so that the rewards will be higher if the stock went up from current market price, or one should be cautious before investing in the stocks. So let me use the Fib extension tool to analyze the price target for the stock. So one can go long at current market price. The entry is at 504 level, so one can go long even now so that they will get the target of 636, which is almost a 15% return from the current market price. So one can go long at current market price, which is around 541 level, and 636 can be taken as the first target and 798 can be taken as the second target. So entry is at 540 levels and target is at 636 level. One can take this stock for investment purposes also because the stock has a good fundamentals and currently trading outside the range which was around 5 years. So one can go long in the stock because the stock is in bullish territory and patience is the key for investing. So one can go long in the stock and be patient to get extraordinary returns in the stock. So finally, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.